Hi, my name is Megan Crom, and I'm a Career Resources Specialist here at the MSU Career Center. Today, I'll be showing you how to register for our upcoming virtual teacher job fair, which will be taking place on February 19th on Handshake. You'll want to start by going to the Career Resources card in My Missouri State, then click Handshake. From the Handshake homepage, you'll then click on Events on the left side of the page. Then click Career Fairs at your school, and then you'll find the Virtual Teacher Job Fair. Here, you'll be able to find some of the details about the fair, and by continuing to scroll down, you can see the employers who will be in attendance. To register for the event, you'll click the purple Register button on the top right side of the page. Now that you're registered, you'll need to sign up for sessions with the employers you're interested in meeting with. You can click on the View Employer Sessions here, or you can revisit this page at any time by clicking Available Sessions. On this page, you'll see all of the attending districts, their location, as well as a brief summary of who they are. This fair includes group sessions and one-on-one sessions. The employers have made the sessions available for you to choose from. Here's an example of some group sessions, and here's an example of a one-on-one session with all the time frames that are currently available. On the day of the fair, you'll get an email reminder from Handshake to log in to attend the event. That email will also contain the video link for the sessions you've signed up for, and your sessions will also appear here on the right side of the page. To make sure that you're properly prepared for the fair, we recommend uploading your resume to Handshake. You can do this by clicking on your profile here at the top right, then clicking on My Documents, and then click Upload a Document here. Employers will be able to see these and even possibly invite you to attend one of their sessions if they are particularly interested in your resume. If you'd like assistance with your resume, you can always reach out to the Career Center or stop into our drop-in hours on Monday through Friday, 1 to 5 p.m.